know many of you have wondered this question, maybe didn't know where to turn to and ask. And the question is, how much does it cost to hire a financial advisor? Now, the good news is financial advisors, generally speaking, if you find a good one, is definitely worth the investment. Meaning that usually a financial advisor will charge you in one of two ways. The first way would be they would charge a percentage of the monies that they help you manage. Now, the advantage of that is they typically are on a fee-based platform, meaning that if you do well, they do well. If you don't do well, they also get compensated less. Now, the second way you could work with a financial advisor is simply by paying them a flat fee to help you formulate a financial plan. Now, a financial advisor like myself can actually work with clients in both ways. So depending on what my clients' needs, that's how we can best serve them. Now, if you have other questions on your own investments or your own portfolio and your financial plan, feel free to reach out, and I'm happy to discuss this with you in lots of detail to help you make the best decision for you and your loved ones. Take care.